Happy birthday!
Oh, yeah! Yes! Yes! They're in the...
I know what it looks like. I know what it looks like, people.
It looks like a magical...
Well, yeah, it looks like that. But Pankley says close your eyes. Close your eyes. Pankley says don't look at the... or whatever that is, or isn't. It's not there.
Boys!
Dad, I want to introduce you to an old friend of yours, Frosty the Snowman.
Is that really you?
Man, you got old, huh?
I thought I'd made you up.
He's real, Dad. He was real all along. Here, Dad, I can't wear this anymore. I broke all the rules, and I didn't listen.
But you did listen. You listened to your heart.
You did it just right, son.